What's up, everyone? Are you ready to talk tech? The Google Pixel, a beacon for Android purists and a symbol of unadulterated digital delight. It's the phone that every Android lover admires. With its pristine Android experience and the freshest updates, it's a tech aficionado's dream come true. Yet, despite its allure, the Pixel dances on the edge of the market spotlight. Why? Because beneath the surface of admiration, there are concerns that even the most devoted Pixel fans can't shake off. Let's explore the paradox that is the Google Pixel. First off, the camera. This thing is a beast. It's like Google crammed a professional photographer inside your phone. You click, it delivers, no fuss, no muss. And those editing features, they're like having a mini Photoshop right at your fingertips. Now, let's talk Android, but not just any Android. This is the VIP club of Android experiences. It's clean, it's fast, and it's what your apps dream about at night. Plus, those updates come in so hot and fast, you'll feel like you're in a time machine. But hey, it's not all rainbows and unicorns. Despite Google's rep, some folks are giving the Pixel the cold shoulder. Why? Well, we're about to spill the tea. For starters, the Pixel seems to have a bit of an identity crisis. It's like it was made for the American dream, but when it comes to global vibes, it's a bit of a square peg in a round hole. We're looking at you, international users. And then there's Tensor, the brainy chip that's got potential. If the rumors are true and we're getting a 3nm upgrade, we might just see Google kicking those overheating blues to the curb. Connectivity, it's a mixed bag. The Pixel's trying to ride the 5G wave, but sometimes it wipes out. And don't get me started on Google Groups. It's like trying to find a signal in the Bermuda Triangle. Need a fix? Good luck finding a Pixel doctor. Service centers are rarer than a quiet day on the internet, and when you do, you better be ready to wait. And wait, exclusive sales on Flipkart? That's got some buyers raising an eyebrow. It's like Google's playing hard to get and not everyone's enjoying the chase. But it's not all doom and gloom. There's talk of Google rolling up its sleeves and making Pixels in the USA. Could this mean better prices and happier wallets? Time will tell. Google, we love your tech, but it's time for some real talk. Service, sales, distribution, let's get those gears moving smoother. We're rooting for you. And before we bounce, let's unfold the topic of foldables. Are they the next big thing or just a tech fad? Hit up the comments and let's chat about it. And if you dug this deep dive into the Pixel world, smash that like button, share the love, and subscribe for more tech truths and chuckles. Catch you on the flip side.